Historically involved a victim wiring cash to a stranger.
But now that many consumers have gotten wise to that, scammers have found one other way for you to pay them. CBS 5 advocate Dave Cherry is in our newsroom with a warning. Hi, Dave.
Hi, Catherine. You know, they're called Green Dot Money Pack cards. They're reloadable debit cards, and you can buy them pretty much anywhere, and they're good for paying things like your phone bill, your cable bill, credit card, things like that. Now, they're typically for people who don't have or want a bank account. Scammers like them because they're even more convenient than a money wire, and they're just as irreversible.
My fear is that I was going to lose my job and my home and my car.
Even with his autism, Dean DiVirgilio still tends to all of his own affairs. Recently, he got a call from a debt collector who claimed Dean owed $1,300 on an old payday loan. The caller said, "Pay it or else."
Threatened me to send the sheriff to my workplace and send a warrant for my arrest and download to the sheriff's station, have me in jail for 3 years for fraud.
Federal law prohibits debt collectors from using intimidation, threats, and harassment, and no one can be jailed over a debt. Dean should have realized then he was dealing with a scam artist and the debt wasn't real. Instead, he sent the scammer the money.
I feel I'm never going to get that all back. That's hurting me right now financially.
How the phone caller demanded payment is a growing trend. Dean was instructed to go to Walmart, load a Green Dot Money Pack card with the cash, then scratch off the back and call with the number.
I read off the number, he wrote the number down, and he collected that payment.
And you had nothing left on the card after that?
Nothing left on the card after that.
Green Dot Money Pack cards are not linked to bank accounts. The money is on the card. Anyone you share your card number with has instant access to your cash and can siphon the card dry.
He stole every cent of my money.
The Green Dot website warns customers to never give their card number to people they don't know. Dean hopes others will learn from his mistake.
Do not give those people the number off the card.
Now, even though Green Dot Money Pack cards are available in 50,000 locations and scammers could really send their victims any place, they tend to push them to Walmart. They want you to go to a place that you know and trust so that you feel comfortable actually buying that card. Green Dot Money Pack cards do serve a purpose for some people. The cards are definitely not the problem here. So again, never share your number with a stranger, and make sure you know your rights too if a debt collector ever gives you a call. And if you want to reach out to me, go to cbs5az.com, click on the red action button, and then don't forget to click on the Contact Dave Cherry icon. That'll let you send your email directly to me, and I will get back to you. Sean and Catherine, back to you.